is a nice looking buggy there. Check out this friend we got walking across the street. That is a beefy snapping turtle there. Full throttle. Today, I'll be speedrunning Jiusi's newest buggy. It's the WB12Pro. This is identical virtually to our Rlaarlo and ZD Racing's version, but the Jiusi version is not quite released yet, but will be out pretty soon. And I ran it stock. It only hit 40 when it was completely stock, but I swapped out the stock 16-tooth pinion gear for the included 21-tooth pinion gear. So we're gonna go ahead and run this, see how much faster it is, and if it can reach its claimed 50-mile-an-hour top speed. It was nice and stable. I think these tires can handle probably 50 miles an hour just fine, but go ahead and check out my previous video if you want to see a more in-depth review of this car and all the features it has. But we have the stock 35 amp ESC here, and it's just a really nice car with a lot of really well thought out features. And again, it's not released quite yet, but this buggy should be coming out the end of May, so just a couple more weeks and it should be released. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing buttoned up, and we're gonna run the stock battery and see if we can reach 50 miles an hour. Stay tuned. Okay, we have 12 satellites, track, start, and we're reading. All right, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and ease into it. 21 tooth included Speedrun pinion. Full throttle. Stop, read, 54 miles an hour, and a nice voice crack to celebrate that.
Hey, my voice just changed.
All right, let's go ahead and try this again. We'll see if we can back up that 54-mile-an-hour run. That pinion really opened this thing up. And on that second run, we backed it up with another 54-mile-an-hour run. And let's see if it'll still do it on a third run. That is a nice looking buggy there. Okay, on the third run, did we hit 54 again? 53. So it's gonna start to slow down a little bit after a few runs, which is expected. But there we go. Short video here, Jiusi WB12Pro. Actually, I did bring along the 29-tooth pinion gear I recently purchased, so let me see if I can pop that in here real quick, and I have another fresh battery I can run it with, and maybe we can get it up probably faster than these stock tires can handle, but let's see if we can make that happen. And after those couple of runs, the motor's still just warm. The ESC seems fine. I have run the same setup here in my Jiusi PT14R. It's basically a shorter wheelbase version of the buggy, and I got this thing up to, I think it was 66 miles an hour on the stock power system, running these Armahoons tires. These tires probably can't handle that kind of speed. They might really struggle with this 29-tooth pinion gear in here, but we'll go ahead and see. And the Jiusi PT14, I have this up to 86 miles an hour. It still has more in it. It can probably hit 90 with my current setup, but I'm having problems with the ESC I'm running, so I'm kind of stuck at the moment. But let's go ahead and see if I can get that 29-tooth pinion in this Jiusi. I'm actually going to go ahead and just keep running the same battery because I don't think it's going to be able to handle the speed with the stock tires. But there you go, 29-tooth pinion gears installed. I don't have any Loctite or anything. Hopefully I got the mesh close enough. These are 48 pitch gears in case anyone was wondering. And we'll go ahead and get started here in just a second. Okay, the GPS is reading. That might actually be slower. I'm not sure. It was not happy. 57 miles an hour. Maybe I'll run it one more time, or at least try to. And we'll see what happens. I popped in another stock battery that's fresh. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get any closer to 60. But it did not run very well. Easing into it. Full throttle. Seemed a little happier that run. I kept it rolling. Oh wow, 66 miles an hour. Wow, on the stock setup. Let's try that one more time. Only changing the pinion gear. All right, the steering was going crazy. I'm gonna bring the cell phone down with me because I have to walk down and get the car. Check out this friend we got walking across the street. That is a beefy snapping turtle there. Why don't you go ahead and get back out of the road here, buddy. Man, look at that thing. Okay, let's go ahead and hit stop, read, 65 miles an hour. So back to back solid runs on a stock Jiusi. I'm not gonna make a standalone video for this because I'm just doing a shakedown run to test the ESC and see if it's completely faulty at this point or if maybe it's still salvageable. So I have the partially used battery I was just running in the WB12 in here. And we'll go ahead and see if we can get a solid run out of the Jiusi PT14R. This is with a $15 ESC. Full throttle. Well, that was a successful run. Maybe last time it was just having thermal issues. I'm not entirely sure. With 71 miles an hour on a depleted 3S battery, I'll take it. And let me just show you real quick the setup in here. This is running a 32 pinion gear and a $15 ESC. These come from AliExpress. But, and we have the stock Jiusi battery in here. So, pretty impressive stuff. Maybe I'll do one more quick run. Full throttle. Nice and stable. Look at that thing go. This is a great truck. And the WB12Pro should be even better once I modify it with Speedrun tires. Should be more stable than this with the longer wheelbase. But really impressive stuff. And I'm happy to see this ESC seems to be okay. I did not bring any 4S batteries that'll fit in here with me today. So unfortunately, running it's gonna have to wait for another weekend for those 4S runs. Oh, did I forget to run it? I guess I did. All right, one more time. Let's see if it overheats. So stable. This thing is just a joy to drive. And last time I was running it, it was also on 3S, so I don't know what was going on. Slowing down a little bit. This battery's certainly depleted at this point, so I'll take it. But these Jiusi cars, both of them, are outstanding. And yeah, I think they speak for themselves. All right, there we go. 65 to 66 miles an hour on an otherwise stock Jiusi WB12Pro. Real impressive stuff. Only change I made to it was the pinion gear. And using my GNSS performance analyzer by Power Hobby, along with my Armo Beast GPS holder. Very nice unit you can strap on pretty much anywhere.
Oh, behave.
Might be the fastest one of these I've seen. Completely stock battery, stock motor, stock ESC, just like it came out of the box. So impressive stuff there. All right guys, thanks for watching. Next time out, I'll probably put in a bigger ESC. I'm trying to secure one that'll fit in here, tight space, but I might do what Britt did over at 10th Scale RC Performance. Remove the receiver box and then put the ESC there and put the receiver somewhere else in the car. So if you have any questions on the setup, or the car rather, because the setup's stock, just let me know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.